Okay, here you're asking something question, not getting the question here. So LV delivery quantity is equal to, yeah, this is correct only. So what is your question? Can you please repeat it?
నా ఇక్కడ లైన్ నెంబర్ 106 లోకి ఇక్కడ వచ్చిన డేటాని మనం ఎల్వి అండర్స్కోర్ కౌంట్ అనే దాంట్లోకి పంపిస్తున్నాం కదా ఇంటర్నల్ టేబుల్ లోకి m ఈక్వల్ టు 1 దెన్
Okay, okay, okay. Okay.
దాన్ని మనం పంపించాల్సిన
Sorry, sorry. Yeah,
క్వాంటిటీ
yeah, correct, correct only, correct only. Yeah, yeah, thank you, Giri. So here, the variable is this one, LV delivery quantity. So the namings are slightly same. That's why confused same here. So LV delivery quantity is equal to here also. So here count is there. So here also. Here this is correct only. Yeah, correct. And fine. And here, so after filling the sales information here, I'm just checking the data in the delivery, right? So sometimes, so something sales order number 150 is there. So for that 150, there is no delivery till now. Okay, they did not deliver anything till now. So at that time, the records will be 0 in LT temporary delivery. It will be 0. So then also it will check the record count. Record count automatically it will be 0 here. And after that one, it will check. I mean, for loop it will go. Okay. So for loop it will execute 100 line. It will execute, but 1 to 0 will be there. Okay, 1 to 0. So what it will come? So it will come to the end for. Okay, 123 line, and after that one it will check this data also. Okay, it will check this data also, but these all things are unwanted here, not required to go check these all things. So what I will do, I will check here one if condition, if is empty of LT temporary delivery internal table. Okay, else ending. Okay, so skill track near else is empty. Is empty. Then I need to write here. Fine. So what I'm checking here, I'm checking this internal table is empty or not. If it is empty, nothing is there. I mean, I'm not writing any code here. If it is not empty, then only I need to check the count. I need to go for something loop here. Okay, and filling the uh, total delivery quantity and pending quantity. These all things I need to fill if the delivery information found. Okay, now activate it. It's activated, and I will keep the breakpoint. Okay, I kept the breakpoint here, and one more thing. I have mentioned fine. This one, session client, session context, I have mentioned fine. I'm executing this one. Click on F8 button. So here I'm not executing this VBAP and LAPS directly. I'm going to this final output. Then automatically these two methods will call here, and click on execute switch here. So we can see something LT underscore sales. Total 343 records are coming here. Okay, 343 records, fine. And what about this delivery? In LT delivery, 269 records only available. Okay, total 343 sales orders and 269 deliveries. Fine. Now, uh, here I am doing something else, LVSO count here. So the line is not executed. So execute that line. So total, the line count is coming like 343. Correct only. In the sales, LT sales 343 records are there. The number count is coming 343 in this variable. Now I'm looping. Okay, I'm looping 1 to 343 line. 343 times I'm looping here and come here and click on F6. Here F5, F7, F5 and F7 is not available. Only F6 and F8 is available because there is a procedure, not a normal method, procedure method. So F6 and F8 only available. So IT panel. So initially there is no data, it is empty now. Okay. Now what I will do, I will click on F6 button, then in the sales information, sales internal table, the first line, what is the VBELN? That value will pass to here. So click on F6. See, in the final, the sales, in LT final, the sales document number is filling here. And now if I click on F6 button, then Postner will come here. See, Postner came. Now AUDAT, okay, came. And now Matner came. And now KWMENZ. So one by one, it is filling here. KWMENZ, fine. Now, so I'm just taking some variables. So VBELN and Postner like that. Okay, and after that one, I'm uh, selecting something data from this internal table LT delivery. Here total 269 records are available in the delivery, but I don't want to loop all the records. Okay, so for that one, what I'm doing, the sales document number is equal to 7 all zeros. Okay, 7 all zeros and item number 10. So for these two things, I need to consider the sales document number and item number. And for these two combinations, how many records are available in this LT delivery? So that information will come to this LT temporary delivery internal table. So click on F6 button. So in LT final, sorry, where is it? LT temporary delivery. So here 0 records are available. Means, so for the sales document number 7 all zeros and item number 10, there is no delivery. So it is containing 0. So I'm just checking some condition here. So the condition will not satisfy. Okay, condition will not satisfy. So it is coming outside. It is not checking these all things. Now it came to the second record. Okay, if you check this LT panel internal table, it is not filling anything. Delivery 1, delivery 2, these all things are not in a, it is not filling anything. Directly it is coming to the second record. So second record, sales document number and item number, okay, material quantity, and so for this LT temporary delivery, so here also 0 records are available. Okay, 0 records are available. So it will not go inside. So let me do one thing here. I am just clicking on F8 button. So F8, this is okay. And what I will do in the select query only, I will check something quantity field here. Okay, and here I dot and I dot KWMENZ not is equal to 0. So quantity field is 0, then I don't want to consider that one. Okay, in the sales document number, because this is the dummy data, they have given some improper data. So the quantity is 0 also available. So I don't want to consider those zeros here. So here not equal to, it is not accepting like this. Okay, so we need to write not equal to in this way. Okay, exclamatory symbol and equal to, this is not equal to in native SQL. Okay, and consider to ABAP, we need to write like this one, or not equal to, we will write like this. But these two things will not apply in the native SQL. And here also I will mention the same thing, and I dot lfimz not is equal to 0. lfimz. Okay, fine, and yeah, activate it here and execute it. Execute the final output method. Click on switch button to go to debugger perspective, and find see here total 322 records came, but previously something 360 something records came, and here also the total records 266 something is coming. Fine, and just double click on it, ITL delivery. So quantity LFIMG is there. Okay, fine. Now click on F6 button. So just filling the data in the LT panel. Let me check for the sales document number, all zeros one is there. Okay, sales document number all zeros one. For this one, just checking LT temporary, but here the delivery information is not available for the sales document number all zeros one. Fine, and click on F6 button. So it will come to the next record. Okay, so if you check here, the sales order number 7 all zeros 45. Okay, 7 all zeros 45, and quantity is 1 here. Quantity is 1. Now, if you check the LT item delivery table here, the information is available. The sales document number equal to 7 all zeros 5 and the item number 10. Okay, and the delivery document number is equal to 8 all zeros 98 and the item number 10 and the LFDAT and quantity. Fine. Now it will go inside of this one. Click on F5 button, or I mean F6 button. Okay, so total record count is coming here. So double click on it. LV record count. So LV delivery count. So LV delivery count is 0 here. So click on F6 button. So total 1 record is coming here. LV delivery count 1 record is coming. So for M in, okay, for M in 1.1, okay, because only 1 record is available in LT delivery count. So only one time it will loop here. So click on F6 button. So yeah, what is the M here? M equal to 1, the first loop. So M equal to 1 will come here, and click on F6. So I am just filling the delivery information, delivery 1 information. And if you observe LV delivery quantity, so LV delivery quantity is nothing is there. Okay. So now click on F6. Click on F6 here. See, LV delivery quantity is not filling. Okay, and I'm just adding LT item delivery and LFIMG. So whatever the LFIMG is coming here, so LFIMG is equal to 1 is there, right? One quantity is there, but that one quantity is not adding to this LV delivery quantity. Okay, why it is coming like that? You know, just come to the LV delivery quantity, right? So where is it? LV delivery quantity declaration. So this one LV delivery quantity is there. So here this variable I am using as input and output. Okay, input as well output. but the initial value I am not declaring it here. That is why it is considering like null. Okay, so if you add something value to null, the value will be null only here. So we need to so I am in the debugging mode. Okay, in the debugging mode I am editing something. Okay, is equal to 0, and let me activate it. It is activated by, and anything else, but fine, everything is fine here. Now for this time it will not apply. Okay, for this time it will not apply. So it will be helpful. So where can we change the data? So by clicking on F8 button and go to the, okay, restart the debugger, fine. Okay, where is it? So not required to, I mean, in the debugging mode only we can change the data, but at that time we cannot execute whatever we have changed. Okay, that will not work. So one more time we have to execute, activate and execute it here. So debugging perspective is on here. So click on F6. So I'm just filling the first record, but for the first record the data is not available. So it is going to the second record. The sales document number is equal to 7 all zeros 4 5, and now so one record is available for the delivery. Okay, and LV delivery count is coming like 1 here, and I am looping the delivery information. And if you check here, LV delivery quantity. So where is it? LV delivery quantity is there, 0 is there. But previously something space is there, nothing is there. 0 also not there, 0 also not there. But now 0 is coming because I am initializing something value to this LV delivery quantity. Okay, so you need to consider this one. In ABAP layer, I mean in ABAP programs, we don't initialize something value. By default, uh, system will initialize a 0 for the integer. But here we need to initialize manually, and click on F6 button. Click on F6. Now you can see here LV delivery quantity is coming like 1. Okay, because already previously 0 was there, now it is adding by 1, so total 1 is coming here. Okay, and now you can see here this is the LT final. For the second record you can see delivery item, delivery document number 1, and delivery item 1, and delivery date and delivery quantity is coming here, and click on F6 button. Okay, and it is checking for one more record. I mean how many, I mean here only one record is available. Okay, LB delivery quantity is count is 1, and it is checking for some more record is available or not, like that. Okay, click on F6 button. So record is not available, then it will come outside of that for loop. And now the total delivered quantity. Okay, total delivered quantity. You can click on F6 button, and the pending quantity. You can click on F6 button. Now you can scroll to right side. You can see that one. Total delivery quantity is 1, and total pending quantity is 0. Okay, here pending quantity is coming like space, means we didn't do any calculation here. Okay, because there is no delivery for this record, for the first record, so nothing is coming. But for the second record, something delivery is there, one quantity is delivery is there, and sales order also one quantity is there. So 1 minus 1, total 0 is coming here. Fine, click on F6 button. Okay, here I need to do one thing. So after filling the data, so this internal table LT temporary delivery. This is containing one record, right? So I need to clear this data here. After filling this all data, I need to clear the data in the internal table LT item delivery, and I need to clear this sub quantity also. Okay, this quantity also LB delivery quantity also I need to clear it here, right? So for that one, I'm clicking on F8 button. I will go to the ABAP perspective here. So here I will write like, so if you want to clear something variable and something internal table, there is no particular syntax. Okay, I mean in ABAP layer, clear internal table, clear work area, clear something variable, something will be there, but here that option is not available. We can do like this. So LV underscore delivery quantity is equal to 0. Okay, so I'm just looping all the data. Okay, and I'm passing total of the delivery. Okay, 3 deliveries are there. 3 deliveries count will add here. Okay, 3 deliveries will add, and after that one, sending the data to final internal table, I am clearing. I am passing like 0. LV delivery quantity is equal to 0. Means for the next record, it will be 0. And clearing the data in the internal table, LT underscore temporary delivery internal table, right? So is equal to select tar from same internal table, LT temporary delivery internal table, where 1 is equal to 2. Means the condition will not satisfy. So whatever the data is there in this LT item delivery internal table, it will clear here. Okay, 0 will be 0 records will be there. So this is the way to clear the data here. Activate it, okay, and execute it. And previously how we saw the data, in the same way the data will come. So what I will do, I will create a program and I will call the this class there. So ZCL underscore AMDP underscore test4. Here final output, right? Just double click on it. So final output came, and click on Control plus Space button, and click on Shift plus Enter button. So it is importing something data like this. LT panel. Real demo output, I think. The value is LT final. Okay, just I'm displaying the data. Activate it, and execute the probe. It is not activated yet. It is in still in activating. Okay, now it is activated. Now you can see here something activate button I have clicked, and it came to the, it went into the gray color, means that was in activating but not completed. So if you see this one in the enable mode, then this is in activated. Now click on F8 button. So this is the data. So let me scroll right side. Here 25 something quantity is coming. See the delivery quantity. Okay, Okay, we cannot adjust this one to right side. Okay, so if we want to do something adjustment, then we need to call the function module, reuse LV grid display or list display like that. But here I am not able to scroll to right side, the column KWMENZ. Okay, and we can see here total delivered quantity 1 is there, and here 25 is there. Okay, and if you see, if you consider this one, okay, 25. So what is happening here? Total 35 is the sales order quantity. Okay, for that one, the delivery number 1 is containing 8 all zeros 3, and it is delivering 25 quantity. Okay, and delivery 2 is not available, delivery 3 is not available. So total delivered 25 quantity only, remaining is 10 quantity we need to deliver. Okay, and yeah, something data is there, and you can see here also. Okay, sales document number 93. So for this one, total 33 is the quantity. Okay, sales document number is 33 quantity, and in the first delivery, in the first attempt they are delivering 7 quantity. Okay, 7 quantity they are delivering, and the remaining things, remaining 26 is in pending. Okay, we need to deliver this 26 quantity still. So this is the way to write the looping statements and clearing statements. Okay, by using AMDP. Okay, maximum in ABAP on HANA. I mean, if you are working on HANA, then we have to work on AMDP CDS views like that. Okay, even in CDS views also, we cannot write this much of complexity. Here we are selecting the data, and we are looping the data and writing something calculation like delivery. I mean, sales order quantity minus delivery quantity, and we are writing something if condition, else condition like that. And so these all things are not possible in CDS views. Okay, so in the CDS views, just we will fetch something data in the database table by using something joins like that. Okay, and after that one, we will expose the data to outside. Okay, that is the main aim of CDS view. Okay, in CDS view, we can call, we can use AMDP function method. So this is the procedure, right? So method implementation I have mentioned like by database procedure. So here, if we maintain like database function, then this method we can uh, call in a CDS view. Okay, then this logic, this total logic will work in CDS view. What is the final output is coming? That final output will move from AMDP function to CDS. We will see the CDS view from tomorrow onwards. Okay, and anyone have doubts up to here? AMDP concept or any previous concepts? Okay, fine. If you don't have, then we can close this session. And tomorrow we will meet at 6 a.m. Then bye. Jai Hind.